All right. So the topic for today's video is what if the CAT doesn't go well? You didn't score well. It doesn't go as you have thought it would. What if this? What if that? Remember, our goal is not to clear CAT. Our goal is to get into a good B school or have a good career in general. So if not CAT, there are various other exams also. Like CAT is not the only way to a good B school, only door to a good B school or a good career. For example, if not CAT, there is that. Even if not ZAT, there is SNAP. If not SNAP, there is NMAT. If not NMAT, there is CMAT. If not CMAT, there is Maharashtra CET. If not Maharashtra CET, there is CUET. If not CUET, then there is GMAT. If not that, then you can again appear for CAT next year and repeat the post process. Don't get anxious, guys. We just need to crack one exam, one of these exams. We just need one seat in any of the good B schools. Yeah. So we just need to crack any of one of these exams. Not crack CAT is not the end of the world, right? So just one exam it is. So if not CAT, ZAT, SNAP, NMAT, CMAT. There are various exams, so don't worry about it. Give it your all. That's it. Don't be anxious or get into anxiety or get nervous about it. Give it your best shot, and rest is not in your hands, right? And if the CAT goes bad, remember this, guys. It's a bad day, not a bad life. And move on. If CAT goes bad, there are other exams. Life moves on. Even if your exams are not clear, you can still build a good career in corporate. There are a lot of guys with a bad MBA college or even no MBA who have done fantastically well in their life. So don't worry. It's a bad day, not a bad life. Yeah. See you guys in the next video. Bye bye.